So today we have Kapil with us. Kapil has come for a repair hair transplant, and a lot of people these days come for repair hair transplants. And there are majorly issues of, most of these patients are misinformed, or they are not having any information at all. So let's see how we can help Kapil to achieve at least something, to restore something. So Kapil, hi.
Hi.
So you have got this transplant how many years back?
I got this transplant like two years back,
2 years.
October 2022.
2 years back.
Yeah.
So where was it done?
It was done Haridwar.
Okay. So you live in Delhi,
Yeah.
but you went to Haridwar
Someone
to get this.
recommended, someone asked me to go and meet that doctor.
Oh,
So the doctor convinced me to get the transplant there. So I did.
oh, fine. So how many grafts were done?
He told me that total 5,200 drafts were done.
52.
Yeah.
And what was the method?
It was FUE.
FUE.
Yeah.
So, okay. Hair were taken from the scalp and from the beard also.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, do you think that that many graft has been done, or like?
I'm not sure because after seeing the result, I guess I doubt it. But yeah, he told me that yes, around 5,200 grafts were done. But after at this situation, at this point, I doubt it.
Yep. So, we'll try to dig a little deeper. I'm Dr. Shaiil Gupta. We have done almost 20,000 transplants in past 20 years. And, these include minor procedures and everything. Most of the patients who come to us these days are for repair. And majorly, there are issues of not knowing about the medicine. People think that the results which they are seeing, they are because of the skill of surgeon, or they have some excellent donor. And sometimes, when you get it wrong, even after 1 or 2 surgeries, you can still repeat the mistake. And this is important. We thought of sharing this with you because when Kapil came to my office, I was shocked to hear what he was being offered second time around.
Yeah.
So, and I genuinely thank Kapil to share his, his experience, which he has been doing, the research and everything. So we are honestly trying to put these things in front of you. So when you got the first surgery done, was any medicine prescribed to you, or was it discussed before the surgery, or was it kept in the planning?
He told me that yes, only one medicine, starting for 1 week, antibiotics and all those were going on, vitamins and all. Now after that, for 6 months, I took one tablet daily. That's the only thing he told me, that yeah, this is the medicine and this is our medicine. You need to take this every day.
So they told you that they made the medicine?
Yeah, developed by them.
Oh, okay, fine. So, was any specific duration told to you that you have to take this medicine for that particular period?
For a year.
For a year?
Yeah.
And you took that medicine for a year?
No, I took it for 6 months, then I stopped that medicine.
Oh, so they initially in the beginning they told you that they will stop it after 1 year?
There was nothing they told me that this is for 1 year or something like that.
Oh.
It was we'll go ahead with the results and all that, accordingly.
We'll see.
Yeah, accordingly.
Did they tell you the side effects, possible side effects?
No, I was told that it is safe.
Oh. So in your case, the tablet was BioHair F, which you were taking. Many a times I have seen people taking this medicine and being told that this is just a biotin tablet which you are giving, and this is a scam alert. So please, pay attention. When you are taking any medicine, check the components, because BioHair is plain biotin and multivitamins, but BioHair F contains finasteride also. So, what was the result like? Was it up to your expectations?
Till the time I took medicine, for 6 months, I was getting results okay. And after that, when I stopped the medicines, I start facing hair thinning and hair fall started. I discussed it with my doctor, and he said it is just a phase. You will get the result within 9 or 10 months. After that, you will see more good results.